To invest your restoration, you need to select and place the correct sprues. Use a 3 to 5 mm thick sprue and connect it to a 5 mm thick bar. The bar should be placed in the thermic centre of the investment cup. It is optional to place a tag on your metal collar, which makes it easier to handle the metal later in processing. Mix the ideal powder and liquid ratio by hand, and then mix under vacuum. Invest carefully by using an instrument so you don't get porosity inside the framework. Allow desirable setting time, then place the ring in a burnout furnace at 850 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes.